Hey y'all, so today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to do lash clusters on yourself. It's real simple, real easy. The products are affordable. So I got the lashes from Amazon. I'll have the link down below. And I got the glue from Walmart. I'll have that link down below as well. You can get kits with the glue in it. I recommend getting the kits with the glue, but I already had the glue, so I didn't get the kit with the glue. I should have though, but it's okay. It's okay. And also some kits come with the lash tweezers, which those work really good. So stay tuned to see how I did my lash clusters. First, I'm starting off with the bond. The bond is so the lashes can stick, and I'm not going to use it like mascara by putting it all the way through my lashes. I'm only going to put it through the bottom of my lashes. If you do it like mascara, it just gets clumpy, sticky, and really a hot mess.
Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge.
So what I'm doing is I'm putting the lashes on the bottom of my lash. It's easy because the glue is on there, so it's going to stick. And once it sticks on there, you're going to adjust it to where you like it and how it fits. So that's what I'm doing here, adjusting it, and I'm going down. And I'm using 20 through 10. And you just keep going down depending on what type of lash effect you're going for. I was going for natural, so that's why I'm using each one. I recommend not using a 20 if you really want it to look super natural. Don't use the 20, but I wanted to use each and every single lash.
Holly done went through a million, I rock with her really, let's fuck on a billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the villains. Ecstasy, wonderful feeling. Smoke out the pound when I'm chilling.
You also might have to fan them out with the tweezer and separate them to make them look how you want them to look. That's what I'm doing here because I was going for a natural look. So I'm separating them and fanning them out and blending them in with my natural lashes.
Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge. Young gun no one that back calling me splurge. Let me jump right off the curb. Make the spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge.
I guess I'm spinning, double cup I'm leaning. Guess I'm spinning, double cup I'm leaning. Need you to lean in. She wanna come this way, heat it up microwave, heat it up microwave. She wanna ride my way, she wanna come this way, she wanna. She wanna know how you feeling tonight.
The seal is what's going to help your lashes stay on longer. You use that just right where you use the bond at. And these are the end results of my natural lash set clusters. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure y'all thumbs up and subscribe.
Young gun no one that back calling me splurge. Let me jump right off the curb. Make the spread fly like a bird. Spin on the